What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new episode of Leveraging Real Estate for Freedom. We just got this duplex under contract, and today we're here with Mike, and Mike behind the camera. All right, so I'm gonna hand it over to Mike to tell you guys a little bit about the property itself.
How's it going, guys? We have a duplex, 3-bedroom, 2-bath on each side with 2-car garages on each side. Let's check it out. Going through the walkthrough with us, guys. As a realtor, I look at properties all the time, especially for my investors. This property in particular I found on the MLS, ran some rough numbers with the rental income and how much the mortgage is gonna be. Checked off all the boxes, so we decided to submit an offer. Under list price, of course, during this market, and we got it under contract 15K under.
We got in contract with this property because one, both sides are 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. That will enable us to put a bigger family inside the unit, which means that, you know, it's more stable than a 1-bedroom apartment, right? And then each unit have 2-car garages, two 2-car garages, which means that we could potentially turn both garages into an ADU. So there's potential for 2 ADUs. Now looking at this, the biggest thing is they're both vacant, so that we can really go in and dress up the units as we see fit and then rent it out at market. That's going to save us a lot of trouble for dealing with existing tenants. And after seeing the property, we really like it. I think we're gonna move forward with it. Yeah, so, follow our progress as we develop this property. And of course, after we renovate it, we're gonna show you guys the after pictures, after videos. So follow our journey, all right? Make sure you press that like button, subscribe, and that bell button so you get notifications whenever we post new videos. All right, until next time, guys. Cheers.